Looking at a B grade or a C grade story or a relationship mess help me in any way? I mean, I'm going to be only helping grow their business, and I'm only going to be giving them attention and stuff. So why don't I focus on my own plan and my own way forward? I mean, there are so many forums where we hear people launching their books and showing us videos of their lives and their journeys and stuff like that. But the point is this, that is that journey of any use to me? How is it contributing to me in a positive manner is a question which I like to ask myself many a times before I even participate. I remember meeting so many authors, and I remember meeting so many personalities through my life and stuff. If somebody is not positively influencing me or affecting me and adding to my brain or outlook, then I think the whole objective of a book or a video is kind of no use and inconsequential. And there are better people out there, there are better achievers out there. So when you're on a journey of excellence, of solving problems of the world, or looking at the larger picture, or connecting with people all across the world, and it's not just physical appearances, it's not relationship messes and stuff, it's actually what you bring on the table in terms of knowledge and insights and your core values, and your attitude and your personality that helps a lot. So there are people all across the world who've got really bad stories to share and stuff. So my advice and my tip is that stop following them and start focusing on better stuff. If you really want to do something for yourself and to make your family and your people proud and do something for your country, then you have to actually focus on what positive change and impacts are happening in your country and in your own life, and looking at other people which is of no consequence in you. So I hope I'm making sense and stuff. So enjoy yourself and go with the flow. There's always an uncertainty in everybody's life, in everybody. I mean, I step out and I don't know what's going to happen next. So stop thinking about things that would go wrong and start focusing on things that could go right. And if you don't try anything, it's not going to happen. And if you keep a positive attitude and you believe in yourself, then miracles can happen, and the world can open up to you and stuff. But the point is, it all starts with you, and not with hanging around on social media or following relationship stories and books which we see the moment we switch on TV. It's been happening for so many years now, so it makes no sense. And both journeys are going to be inspiring, and if you want to follow inspiring stuff, you got to follow super inspiring people from all across the world, not just in your own limited knowledge of your city and your country. So hope this helps. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com. My alternate email address is jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. I'm the founder and CEO of IM Decon Design. We do interior solutions, and we have luxury products and stuff. And there are a lot of other interesting things that I do also, which is not just related to work. I'm a drummer, I'm a speaker at various forums and stuff. So if you want to connect with us for any initiative or a cause, and you want to associate, please get in touch with me, and we can take it from there. So thank you very much for your messages and your likes and stuff, and I'm looking forward to 21st, first in the morning and then in the evening. So all the very best to my friends and associates and people associated with these phenomenal works. So all the best to you, and see you very soon. So take care. Bye bye.